what an adjustment truly is, if you boil it down, and I'm gonna just make this very broad, is we're just trying to move joints. That's what you feel when you get the popping, like you get that gap in the joint. We're just trying to move joints, right? The reason you have pain in certain cases is because those joints don't move very well. So via palpation, we find an area that doesn't move well, we adjust it.